Hello, we will create alerts in this tutorial and also toggle one of them, via a button click. We have created buttons before on the navbar, but these used to router. Here we will use a click event. There are different alerts as per Vuetify page, and each of them uses properties to be designed. In our custom elements, these are attributes. For example, the type attribute here is success. The list of attributes is available via the API for each element. These give the attribute, its type, and its default value. We have created a new component view called ViewAlert. This has a vContainer, and just like the previous tutorial, we have created a grid with some columns to show our alerts. This has 3 rows, each with 2 columns each spanning 6 spaces. We also created some alerts, which for now show lorem ipsum, but with different attributes. This one has a border and color attributes. For this one, we specify the type attribute as success, and we want to make it dismissible. We also create a binding to the value of the alert. The value here controls visibility. We use the vModel directive to do this. On states we set this visibility to true. We load the alert container and in each row column, load each alert we created. We can also set the state binding inside the component. We have this as an example. We want to be able to toggle the visibility of an alert, so let's add a button with a click event. The button has a caption, a deep purple color. We set it to be outlined also. We generate the members and also ensure we select the click event. We load the button layout to a place in our matrix grid. The events for this button should be linked to this Vue component. We then bind the element class to this Vue component. On the click event of the button, we toggle the state of the alert we want to process. This state is linked to the success alert, as per vModel specified there earlier. We run the application. When we click the button, it toggles the success alert.